Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. For today's video, I'm back at it with another unboxing for you guys. This time it is a very exciting box. We have the Jeffree Star Skin PR package right in front of us here. I am so excited to dig into this and really look at the products. This has been so highly anticipated, and I know how excited you guys are. Now, before we jump in, I wanted to include some fun footage. Yesterday was the launch party for Jeffree Star Skin. All the stars were out and about, including our girl Jeffree, and he looked absolutely breathtaking. I want to show you some stuff from his stories. Just watch. Everything looked absolutely exquisite. I wish I could have been there. I can cross my fingers. Hopefully one day I could attend one of these amazing parties. Before we jump into the unboxing, I just wanted to let you guys know that I will be doing a more thorough first impressions video. This is just an unboxing because you guys love right when I receive my PR package for me to unbox it so you get a good look at the products. A more in-depth review including all of the product ingredients, the descriptions. We really are going to go into depth. That video will be coming up in a couple of days. This one is just an unboxing for you guys. A first look at this beautiful packaging, this beautiful skin line. I cannot wait for you guys to see. Without any further ado, let's jump in and unbox. As always, look how beautiful even the tissue paper is. Obsessed. And wow, I was not expecting to get a skincare bag here. This looks like a travel bag that we'll be able to put all of our products in. It has a more waterproof material, which I love. Perfect for storing in the washroom. So pretty, roomy, beautiful. Let's see what else we have here. The first item, I believe we're going to be diving into the makeup melt. When I first saw this product, I cannot tell you how excited I was. I'm very hopeful for this. I think it's going to be amazing. I am an avid user of makeup balms to remove the makeup around my eyes. Something I am absolutely obsessed with is this metal component that comes at the top, this little removable star. A lot of us have nails or don't necessarily want to dig our fingers into the pot when we're getting a product out. So I love that he's included this. I love the attention to detail, the fact that it's magnetic so we won't lose it. Amazing. As you know, the skin around your eyes is super sensitive, so I don't like to go in with a regular micellar water like I do over my whole face. I like for my eyes specifically to go in with something with a lot of emollient balm to it, and that is why I've really enjoyed using these makeup melts. I have such high hopes for this one. I cannot wait to try. The next item, I do believe this is the moisturizer. I cannot tell you how in utter shock I was when I opened this. I don't know why, but for whatever reason, I wasn't expecting it to feel so luxe. When I actually removed it and held it in my hands, I was in utter disbelief. It is so luxe feeling. I'm talking La Mer level. It is beautiful. If you'll notice, when I was unscrewing it, it took a little bit of force for me to do that, and I really like that about it. You know that when you close the product, you're gonna get a vacuum tight seal. Nothing is gonna dry out. Nothing's gonna contaminate it or get in there. Love. Next, I do believe we have the Magic Star Face Glow Mist, and it is... I love the Holy Mist, so I can only imagine how great this one is going to be. Again, make sure you tune into my video so that you can find out all the details about everything. Now moving on to the next product, I do believe this is the eye cream, and it is, I really like it. Now I want to open up this eye cream here for you and show you the application tip. This is a metal application tip. This is supposed to be great when you're trying to apply a cooling effect with your cream when you're applying it. I cannot wait to give this a try. Up next, I do believe this is the Strawberry Water Clarifying Cleanser. Now, I don't typically include a toner in my routine, so I'm very curious to try this one. Jeffree did mention that it is alcohol-free, which is very important in a toner. Again, all of the details about the products we're going to be talking about in our first impressions video, so definitely make sure you tune into that one. And the last item in the PR package, we have the Strawberry Water Clarifying Cleanser. Opening it up here so you guys can see, it's of course sealed up for your safety. This also felt so heavy in my hands. I wasn't expecting I have no idea why, since Jeffree never disappoints on packaging. But when I first saw the packaging, I was like, oh, I was expecting it to be a little bit more luxe. When it arrived and I actually held it in my hands, it is truly very luxe. It feels super heavy and I love that. I'm gonna just say I couldn't outwardly smell anything, which I'm very excited about because I was a little bit nervous having everything having a scent, but luckily, it's not so strong that you can smell it outside of the packaging. If you know some products that are scented, you can smell them outside of the packaging. This is not so strong that you can, so I'm really excited about that. And that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, keep in mind, I did not have the lip mask included in my PR package. That is also one of the 7 brand new items that are launching. Everything launches on February 25th. It's going to be an amazing launch. Make sure you go on the website. Everything's listed there now, all the prices and all of that good stuff. Pick in and hone in what you want. There are set packages, bundles, all of that good stuff. Go on and take a look, see what you're going to be picking up, and I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on all of these amazing products. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys!